Hi everyone, welcome back. I've just taken this beautiful traditional Irish soda bread out of the oven and it smells gorgeous. I'm going to serve it with a lovely creamy chicken and vegetable soup which I'm making today. So in here I've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and into here I'm going to add in 1 medium onion, and I've just cut this up nice and small, diced it. I'm adding 2 celery sticks, which I've diced as well. 2 medium carrots, diced. And I'm going to add 1 sliced leek. I've had this one in the freeze, so it looks a little bit soft, but it's perfect. The leek is optional, but it does add some nice flavour to the soup. Stir everything together. We're going to cook this now for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want the veg nice and soft. My vegetables are ready now, they're lovely and soft. I'm going to add in some herbs. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of thyme. If you're using fresh thyme, you can use about a tablespoon. I'm also going to add 2 garlic cloves, and I've crushed and chopped them up finely. I'm going to cook this now for about 1 minute. Great. So now into this I'm going to add in 2 diced potatoes, medium potatoes. And I've got a litre of hot chicken stock. I just use a stock cube, a chicken stock cube. Mix all together. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf as well. A nice big one if I can get one out. There you go. We're going to bring this to the boil now and then simmer it for about 10 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft. My soup is ready. What I do is I just check the potato is nice and soft, so get a piece out on a spoon, and that's perfect. I'm going to remove the bay leaf now. You can leave this as it is, nice and chunky. I'm just going to blitz it a little so that it's smooth and chunky as well. So I'm going to blitz in the centre and just blitz it about 4 to 5 times. And I'm happy with that. Give it a stir. So you can see there's a nice smooth and chunky consistency there. Feel free to blitz it completely if you prefer it that way. Alright, so I'm going to add my chicken now. I've got 350 grams of cooked chicken here that I'm going to add. I've just diced it up nice and small. You can add raw chicken to it if you like either. Just chop it nice and thinly and small, and you're going to need to cook it for about 10 minutes. Because my chicken is cooked, I'm just going to heat this through for about 3 to 4 minutes. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? All those lovely colours from the veg. All right, I'm going to season this with some salt. And some black pepper. Taste it to make sure there's enough seasoning on it for you. I'm going to have a little taste. That's perfect. All right, I'm going to add some double cream to my soup. I've got 150 mils here. You could add milk either, and I'll include the amounts in the recipe. If you plan on freezing any of this, what I'd recommend, just take out what you're going to use today and add your cream to it. It's best to add your cream once you've defrosted your soup. So I'm going to add all of this in here. We're going to be using all this up over the next 2 days. And stir that in. If you feel like your soup is too thick and you like it a bit thinner, just add some boiling water to it until you get the right consistency you like. I'm going to heat this now for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. That looks beautiful. And there you have it, everyone. My creamy chicken and vegetable soup, absolutely beautiful, full of goodness. Everyone in the family is going to really enjoy this soup. I hope you try out the recipe. I've lots of other beautiful soup recipes on my page that I've had great feedback on, and I'll include some of them in the comments down below. I'll also include the recipe for this beautiful soda bread, which you can enjoy with any of my soups. Thanks again, and we'll see you all soon. Happy baking, everyone, and enjoy.